Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nas, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use VideoScribe. VideoScribe is an animation video maker that uses whiteboard to make animation, and it's more or less like an explanatory video for you. To start using VideoScribe, you need to register your account by clicking try for free. After that, you log in with your account details with a password, and you click on create for your free account. So after that, it sends you an email, and then you authenticate the email, and then you come back to log in to register your account. So I'll click on login to register my account since I've already created an account. Okay, afterwards you are supposed to see the screen. So with this screen, you'll be given 6 days. So after 6 days, you would have to actually purchase Scribe, and it costs $22. So first of all, you have templates to work with. These are the templates to work with, or you can also choose to create your own templates. So to create a new project, you click on create, and then you select the size of the screen you want. So I would prefer to choose a landscape size for YouTube, and then I'll click on create. To start using this, if you are an animation maker or if you are a YouTuber, you already know how to create videos. So first of all, to make your videos very fast, you go to ChatGPT, and then you write a video script to teach beginners what to avoid in order to be rich. So I'm going to create a more or less like a financial video for people on YouTube. So I'll enter this prompt, and then I'll be introduced with this. So I said I want it in a story format. So what I'll do is I'll just make this first part of the video, and then we continue. So secondly, after generating my script, I'll copy the script, and then I'll take it to TTS Maker. So TTS Maker is a text-to-speech generator. So what I'll do is I'll just paste it inside, and I'll start to edit. So after I'm done editing, what I'll just do is I'll select the best voice that probably fit mine, and I've been using one particular character, that is
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis
so I
services.
prefer to use this one. So I'd say 1959, and then I'll convert to my speech. Okay.
The path
so
to
we've
wealth.
converted it.
Avoiding common pitfalls is a story of financial success. Hey there, fellow wealth seekers. Welcome back to our channel. And
Okay,
you're
so I
standing
think
at a
this is
crossroads.
great. So I'll
Which
just
path will you
download
take?
this and then use it inside my video. So one thing I forgot to mention is that you can either download this software as a software on your computer, or also use the web interface, but I prefer to use the one downloaded on the computer because it provides much flexibility, and then more options are added to it. So I would go here, and then this is the interface for the computer or the desktop version. So I'll click here, and then here, and then name this one as financial, and then I'll create the template. So what I'll do is I import the voice. So I import the voice that is inside mine. So I just imported the voice. Let's play. So it's a 3-minute video. It's supposed to last for 3
The
minutes.
path to wealth. Avoiding common pitfalls is a story of financial success.
Okay, so I think it's the audio is okay. What I will do now is bring a text. You click here, and then I'll go back to my yes, and then I'll copy this, and then I'll bring it to my scribe, a pathway to worth avoiding common pitfalls. So I want to make this actually very catchy, so I'll just position it here, and then what I'll do is I'm bringing in animations that probably tells a bit of story about this. So what I'll do is it's loading, so I'll click here. That will bring me images. So it's loading from the libraries. What I say is stop, and then I'll go back there again and then pick my image of what. It's not all the time that you get your selected picture, so you just go through it and probably select the best one. I'm adding one more. Okay, I think this video, yes, so this picture also depicts. Okay, so let's see what happens.
I'm here to guide you through a captivating story that unveils the pitfalls to avoid on your road to becoming wealthy. So grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's begin. Narrator voiceover. Meet Sarah, an enthusiastic young adult determined.
Okay, so if you want everything to be on one page, you click on this, and then you come here and then set the camera to current position. You click on it, and then you click on this one, then you set the camera on second position. The same thing applies to this, and then the same thing applies to this, and then the same thing applies to this. What this does is it makes your video or your images be on one space rather than zooming the images. So let's replay it again and see.
Hey there,
Okay, so you
fellow
see that
wealth
the hands is
seekers.
not going with the
Welcome
voice.
back to our
So what
channel.
we can do next is to click on this, speed up the writing. So what I'll say is the animation should last for maybe 2 seconds. Yes, you should be able to write it, and then I prefer to choose this left hand. Yes, so we come back here to select it, and then reduce it to maybe 1.5. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And then this one to the same thing, then this one to the same thing. So you play it
Wealth
again.
seekers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey of financial enlightenment. Picture this. You're just starting out on your quest for riches, and you're standing at a crossroads. Which path will you take?
Okay, so for the purpose of this video, this is just to teach you how to use it and then how to navigate your way out. So let me just show you another option, that is to add music at the background. So you click on the music sign, and then yes, so you select your best music that probably you think best suits the video. Okay, so I'll select this, and then so after selecting it, you can still reduce the voice. You can still reduce the volume. So you reduce the volume here, and then you click on it, and then let's play to
The
see.
path to wealth. Things to avoid to get rich. Hey there, fellow wealth seekers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey of financial enlightenment. Picture this. You're just starting out on your quest for riches, and you're standing at a crossroads. Which path will you take?
Okay,
Well,
so I
I'm
think
here to guide.
that is fine. So that should be it. When you're done, you probably have to save it. Click on the share sign. You download it from here. But when you download, your video would have a watermark, so you still have to buy the package. So I think that brings us to the end of the video. See you in our next one.